Guys, welcome back. So today we are doing my diecast show off so I could show you all my trucks. So starting off with the 1/24th scale, we got the V8 Bomber, and starting off the Spin Master, we got the Bakugan Dragonoid, then Caleb Blood and Soldier Fortune, Bone Shaker, Bigfoot, a T-Rex truck, Mega Rex, and Mohawk Warrior. Come over here, we got a 5-alarm RC truck. We got a Megalodon RC truck. Sorry guys. We got we got a Lucas Oil Crusader. We got a Gravedigger. We got the 3 cars, mini Gravedigger, and like a McDonald's Max D thing. So if we start over here with Spin Master for the 1/64th scale, we got Gravedigger Red Primer, a custom-made Gravedigger for Kristen Anderson, 2 Gravedigger The Legends, Bad to the Bone Gravedigger, regular Gravedigger, Nitro Gravedigger, 2 other Gravediggers, a CRD Gravedigger, Gravedigger Red Primer, Gravedigger Silver, 2 Son-of-a Diggers. Start over here, we got a Max D that came with the Bad to the Bone Gravedigger. We got the Max D Gold from Mix 34, Mystery Mothers Max D Fire, regular Max D, 2 Max Ds. And then if we come over here, we got Earth Outdoor Loco Black, and 3 normal Outdoor Locos, and then we got the Mystery Mother Outdoor Loco, and then another normal Outdoor Loco. And if we come over there, we got 3 normal Earthshakers, Earthshaker Neon, 2 other Earthshakers. Then we got the old Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Monster Mutt Rottweiler, another old Monster Mutt, another Monster Mutt Dalmatian, a normal Monster Mutt Scooby-Doo, another Scooby-Doo, and then here we're moving on to the Bakugan Dragonoids. We got one that came with the pickup truck, and then we got one that came with the Alien Invasion 2-pack. Then we got a normal one. Now if we come over here, we got the 30th anniversary Monster Jam stunt truck, and then we got 2 silver stunt trucks. Then we got all my Lucas stabilizers, and then Pirate's Curse, the new one. The one with the old no hat is my old one. The one with the new hat is from Mix 34. Then we got a zombie, and then if we go all the way over there, we got another zombie, 2 dragons, a Sparkle Smash, another Sparkle Smash, Mohawk Warrior. Sorry guys, gotta fix that. Blue Velociraptor from Monster Machines, the normal Velociraptor, Raminator Custom, Jurassic Attack, Stone Crusher, Northern Nightmare. Then we got a Megalodon Surf, Megalodon Neon, Megalodon from Series 34, Megalodon with just great tires. Then we got the Pickup Truck Avenger Split, Global World Finals Fire, and then we got 2 Jesters. Moving on to our final row of Spin Master. We got the Axe and Lumberjack 2-pack, the 2 Soldier Fortune, Whiplash, the Slicer, 2 Blue Thunders, 1 Mystery Mother, 1 Steel Revere, Captain's Curse, Rainbow Blast, Horsepower, Bad Habit, Bad Company, Alien Invasion. Moving on to Hot Wheels. 3 Mega Rexes, 3 Megasauruses, 2 All Fried Up, 2 Higher Educations. Then we got Gotta Dump, Bone Shaker, Hot Wheels, Charlotte Bandit, 3 5 alarms, Corvette, American Guardian, 32 Degrees, Smash Squash, 2 whatever they are, like Hot Wheel mud trucks. We got a trash truck, Buns of Steel, Wolverine, Hot Wheels, another Hot Wheels that I use as Wild Side, another Hot Wheels Demo Derby, Full Charge, Oscar Myers, Gangster, Barefoot, Top School, Iron Warrior, Shark Week, Corvette, another Shark Creek, like a hot rod truck, and then last to final it off, we got Monster Jam Dirt Squad Roland. That's it for today, guys. See you in Roblox.